Sitting height. Ha ha! I am standing. Alright, I want to give you a quick show of my DIY standing desk. So, we've got a scissor jack and another scissor jack, and the two scissor jacks are welded together by a couple of pieces of steel and then tied together with a couple of sprockets. Now, I extended the thread that goes through the scissor jack here. I extended it slightly, welded on a 1/2-inch shaft here to accommodate the sprocket. I picked up the sprockets and chain off Amazon. And then there's also steel to support the desktop. This desktop is definitely not final. These kind of modified sawhorses I made specifically, they're pretty cool. The wood actually turned out pretty cool looking. Eventually I'll make a top that kind of matches them, but the sprockets aren't perfect, but they're tied together. You can see they're kind of lag bolted into the sawhorses here. I'll give you a demonstration. Alright, so here we are at sitting height. Then when you're ready to stand, this is the crappy crank that came with these scissor jacks, which I also got from Amazon. You can crank that and you can see the chain drives them both. See, and here I am standing. I can be the king of my desk. Ha ha! I am standing.
Yes! Look what I have created! I have made
standing desk.
I have made
standing desk. And now I want to sit again. As you can guess, it comes down easier than it goes up. Then the other thing is, I'll show you this. This is the crank. It's just a 19mm socket, and you can crank it from either side.
Yeah!
These jacks were really cheap too. I think I paid maybe 30 bucks for the pair of them. That is my DIY standing desk. Again, I'll replace the top, but I think that bottom is burly and awesome. I think it turned out great. Thanks for watching. I think that bottom is burly and awesome.